Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today we are here for another recipe, which will be cheesecake, but it's nothing like the American cheesecake, so stay put and you'll see how lovely this is. And where we're going to start is I already have beaten my eggs and I'm going to add the sugar. And the first thing that we will do with the eggs and the sugar is to cream them. Once that we have creamed our eggs and sugar, we just add all the other ingredients. And I'm going to start with the lemon yogurt. And once that we have put in all the ingredients, we will mix them all together. So now that the ingredients have been mixed, I'm going to put them into the tin. I have already lined it up and put some spread some butter on it. If you want to learn how to do the lining perfectly like this one, there's a video. I have a video where you can learn how to do it. So now we just proceed to pour the whole thing in, all those bits of sugar, and this will go in the oven now at about 190 degrees Celsius for about half an hour to 40 minutes. So here we are. I just taken it out of the oven and it looks like this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to get it out, serve it, and then you will see how lovely this is. If you liked this recipe, do give us a like, subscribe, for we will have 3 videos posted every week of new dishes. Give us a like, share the love for food, and please, please, please tell everybody, and most of all, most important of all, bake it, try it, and let me know what you think of it. The best cheesecake you will ever taste. I'll see you soon. Bye!